In October 2023, I started investing in the stock market for the first time. I used the StockRoI web app to create a portfolio of investments and to see how profitable my investments were. So in this video, I will show you how I use the StockRoI to create and analyze my portfolio. Click on the StockRoI web app from techsol.com, and once you're done with the subscriptions, it will show you the homepage of the web app. So here's the homepage of the web app. Let me show you the portfolio that I created. By clicking on the sandwich menu and choosing the upload portfolio option, I select the file that I downloaded earlier from the web app. And so this is the portfolio that I created. It has a mix of both stocks and mutual fund. I created this portfolio using the web app by giving the buy quantity and the buy price for each investment. So it also shows the total investment and investment percentage of each investment in the portfolio. So all these investments were chosen after carefully researching about it in economic times and some financial websites. And I chose the ones that had robust business fundamentals and sound business practices for several years. So from this portfolio, you can choose any investment and go for detailed analysis of ROI, or you can select all the investments at one go by clicking on the select all button. You can see the green buttons below. The web app shows my total investment as 1,20,000 and the net returns is 15K and ROI percentage is 13%, which is much higher than the interest from the fixed deposits. So this shows the portfolio's profitability. The next table shows the breakup of my portfolio's investments. So for each investment, it shows the investment percentage and the percentage returns and some values like percentage on invested amount. So this helps you compare and know the contribution of each investment in your portfolio. For instance, Dixon has investment of 26% and the returns is 44%. So you can understand and rebalance the portfolio based on this insight. You can also remove the investment that has comparatively lesser ROI. Let me show you. I will remove Tata Motors from my list and see how it is impacting. So you can see the net ROI going up by 1%. 14% is the ROI returns, ROI percentage now. So the next table shows the past ROI data. You can go up to 4 years in the past and see the ROI of the portfolio. You can select any year and see the stability of the return on investments of your portfolio. If you're a new investor, this data will be helpful to understand the investments that give consistent returns over the years. And if you're a seasoned investor and if you've been investing for some time, you can understand the overall success of your portfolio. You can also choose the weekly option and see the weekly ROI of the investments. The next, we move on to the ROI trends chart. So this chart shows the visual insight about ROI. So you can see how consistent the ROI of the stocks and mutual funds were. You can also remove any investment from comparison by clicking on the legend. So this helps in comparing two stocks of the same type. And this is ROI percentage chart that helps in seeing the profitability or the risk of having a particular stock in your portfolio. Same way you can remove any stock or mutual fund by clicking on the legend. The next one is a portfolio ROI summary chart that shows the overall returns of the portfolio, and the ROI net change will show the movement of the ROI of each investment. So here you can choose the weekly option and see the weekly returns, how it is. Let me show you that. So you can understand that portfolio ROI summary. You can see that ROI has been low for several weeks and it got corrected later. So this you can go for more analysis about the market. And here also you can see the weekly movement of each stock, so whether it's a positive or the negative movement. So this kind of insights help me to gain more confidence in my stock market investing. So it removed all my skepticism and doubts regarding my investments. And the web app is quite simple because it doesn't have any ads or in-app purchases that distract you from your work. And now the final table shows for each investment, it shows the invested amount and the ROI percentage. So you can just go through this and know which investment performed really well or which struggled over the selected month or week. So all these information improved my confidence in stock market, and you can get several insights that will help you to stay invested in the stock market, which is very dynamic. And you can also create a portfolio of US stocks by using NYSE option. And there's show buy and sell recommendations. Just click on it and get an idea about the buy above and sell below price for each investment. This can be used for information purpose only. Another interesting thing is that the web app provides a sample portfolio which you can use. So you can have an easy start and later you can customize it. You can download the portfolio. So the app is pretty simple and very convenient to use. So do use it from techsol.com, subscribe it. Thank you and happy investing.